What's up, beautiful people? It's not too early right now. Went out last night. I have a new favourite word in the Philippines. It's buang. It means crazy, and honestly the 3 ladies from this hostel are absolutely buang. Anyway, there was a lot of rum consumed and I got back in a little bit late after going out to one of the local bars. So I had a lie-in this morning, just grabbed some breakfast, and I was meant to be moving on today. Safe to say that's not happening, and I'm gonna just explore some of this area a bit more. I'm gonna grab a bike, head back down to the same kind of area that I was in yesterday for Kawasan Falls, and hopefully visit some other waterfalls in the area. Wang! Hi! Do you know which bike I can use this morning, please?
You read this one?
Yeah. Done.
Did you read it?
Yeah, read it all.
Oh my god, very fast.
This one?
Yeah?
Okay. Thank you. Salamat. So we made it. This is the town of Alegria, and yeah, that was a lovely drive. So there's a couple of reasons why I thought Alegria would be a good place to stop off at today. The first is because it is super close to all of the like waterfalls in the area. Like Kawasan is just down the road, and I'm gonna hopefully find a couple of others in a bit. But after driving for about 45 minutes, I thought it'd be nice to have a little break. And the other reason is it's got one of the oldest churches in the entire province of Cebu even. And it dates back to like 1857, I believe. So I thought I'd have a quick look at that now. That was really cool. I was just taking a few shots of the town, and then all these local school kids were about, and I'm like, hi sir, hi, and then they were climbing over the sign that's back here, the beautiful Alegria sign, so I managed to get a couple of nice shots there. And then when I got the drone out, they were just absolutely fascinated. So I mean, that's one of the things I really love about the drone, is that it seems to bring people together, and they're always so fascinated, amazed by the perspective it gives. And just behind me here, there's this is a watchtower that was built by the Spanish. I mean, it doesn't seem like there's too much left of it, but it's apparently one of the best preserved, so that's pretty cool as well. Right, so this is where we are now, Alegria, and then probably about 3 or 4 kilometers away here is the first falls I want to make it to, and then there's some more that are meant to be good here.
The views on this little road right now. These views are just absolutely nutty. Like, oh my god, this place is beautiful. Jeez! Honestly, back then when I just rounded a corner and had this view over that whole area, I was just so excited. Look at!
If I'm being honest, it's been a little bit of a struggle getting, I mean, I've just parked the bike up here, and I think the falls are up here. There's this tiny sign that I drove past, probably drove past it about 5 minutes ago, and then had to turn around when I asked some guys where these falls are that I'm meant to be going. But I think this is the right place. I think through a mixture of sign language and just very basic words, these two fellas right here, these have helped me figure out that I have to walk up this way maybe. I mean, I'm still not quite sure, so I'm gonna leave the bike here and go for a wander and see if I can find the waterfalls. Bye! Hey, is it this way up to CAMBAIS Falls?
Yes.
Oh, okay, perfect.
You're alone, right?
Yeah.
You just have to have a VIP in there. No people.
Oh really? No one else is there?
For
That is-
Instagram photos.
So that was really nice. I think I was a bit worried I was going to be going in the wrong direction because the two lads that I was speaking to, well, I couldn't really understand. It was all just gesture, really. So it was nice that those two, Jade and June, have just been to CAMBAIS Falls, and they said that this is the right way, which is good. There was a guy just riding down this on his motorbike, so I considered bringing mine up, but I figured it's probably best if I don't. What the flying is that? Oh my. No. No. Whatever that is. No. Ugh. I think that was like a small snake or something. No. Hey. Is it alright with my shoes? Okay. Thank you. How are you?
Yeah. Are you alone?
Yeah, just on me. Just on my one. 15, 20. Oh,
Okay.
30. Perfect.
Perfect.
There you are. Thank you.
Okay.
So the entrance fee to get in there was 30 pesos, which is about 45p or something. So not bad at all. And now it's time to check out what these falls are all about. And oh my, they look good. Yes. Oh, life is good. I really don't know if I've ever seen water that colour before. It is, like I said in yesterday's vlog at Kawasan, it is like Gatorade. That is just... And just as I was getting ready to leave, another group of local Filipinos all turned up. So they're now having a blast here. But it's time for me to get on. I've only got, because of the late start, I've only got a couple of hours until sunset. So I really, really want to go and see the next falls. But it's nice to see some other people here. See ya! Bye! always so friendly, always ready to give a smile like straight away. Only in the Philippines, so good. High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. High five. And now time to go. Bye. Are you gonna let me go? Bye. I've gotta go.
Let's go.
High five. Right.
Let's go.
Right. Time to go. Time to go. Bye. Lovely to meet you all.
That was so cute. Those kids were just all around the bikes, and they just really didn't want to let me leave. All they wanted to do was like keep giving me high fives, and it was so cute. But anyway, yeah, that was CAMBAIS Falls I was just at, and now I'm hoping, I mean the sun is setting, so I'm not quite sure how much time I'll have. I'm hoping to go to the CANCALANOG Waterfalls next if I can. So fingers crossed to make it there. Well, there was a sign that said that the falls were this way, and then I followed this road and it's led to this. I don't know, the road basically just ends there, so I guess I'm gonna park up and see if it's that way. So probably got about half an hour left of daylight to play with because of my late get up, but it's enough time to have a little bit of fun. So it's been a great day. I've absolutely loved ripping around on the moped and just like seeing a little bit more of what Cebu has to offer. I realised I haven't eaten anything since breakfast, so I stopped on the side of the road here. Just getting some barbecue. And then I'm gonna head back to MOALBOAL. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this one up here. Thank you so much for watching. Big love.
Feels good around here.
Yeah, baby.